Let's get started. Normally it would be done like this. A viewer suggested this. WinQ plus I and IT worked. Let's move on. Head on to System Settings. Scroll down to About section. Click the Advanced System Settings. In this dialog box, click Settings. Head on to Advanced. Click on Change. Uncheck the first box. Check the Custom Size box.
So basically, this is how virtual memory works. When you set a range, for example, 1024 megabytes to 4096 megabytes, more pressure is placed on the CPU to regulate the usage. Therefore, instead of gaining performance, you lose it instead. But when you set both values the same, it is constant, and no regulation is needed. Pay close attention here.
So for this, click the first box. I have 8 gigabytes RAM. I will add 8 more. Click on Set. And OK. OK again. Restart your computer, and that's IT.
Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and enable post notifications to be the first to see my next video.